Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums free UPSC series. Plums is a prelims level up MCQ series. On daily basis we are dealing 5 MCQs. So this is episode number 181 on June 3rd, 2023. So as part of this lecture, I am going to deal 5 MCQs which were asked in 2023 CSAT paper, which was really tough for so many candidates, but if you have followed Plum series well, you can easily solve few of the questions. Okay, and I'll deal with 5 MCQs today from that paper itself. Okay, and stay tuned to Vysh IAS YouTube channel so that you'll not miss out many important questions from the exam. Okay. So as part of Plum series, daily 5 MCQs will be dealt at 9 p.m. By team of Vysh IAS. So if you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC and preliminary and mains examinations. Okay, there are lots of free lectures which are already delivered and uploaded in the Vysh IAS YouTube channel for free of cost. Okay, if you want them to be available for free, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon. And if you want to ask any queries related to the test series provided by Vysh IAS, you can call to this number 7200-681675 and WhatsApp to this number. Don't call, WhatsApp to this number regarding the queries. Okay, you will get the information related to the test series. And if you want to watch the foundational videos also, you can ask through this number through WhatsApp. Okay, now let's solve MCQ number 1, which was asked in 2023 preliminary examination. Okay, now let's solve it. What is the remainder when 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96 is divided by 100? This is very easy question. Okay, we have solved lots of questions relating to remainder in our previous Plum series. Okay, if you have solved or if you have watched those videos, it will be very much easy to you people to solve this question. Okay, now let's solve. So they have given the data as 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96. When it is divided by 100, what will be the remainder? Let's check if it is totally dividing this number. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 0. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. Again, if you are further dividing it, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 3 remains and 5 7s are 35. Okay, if you are further dividing it, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. It means total denominator is dividing the numerator. Definitely the remainder is 0 over here. So this is very much easier question you can solve. But in the examination condition, only with the presence of mind you can even solve this easy questions. Even easy questions seems to be tough if you are not having a presence of mind in the examination hall. So important thing is the presence of mind. Okay. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. What is the unit digit in the expansion of 57242 power 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 7? This is also one of the question which was asked in the recent exam. Now let's solve it. So if you solve it, so whenever the unit digit is asked in the question, what we have to take is, we have to take only the unit digit itself. So the unit digit in the given question is 2. So we have to check 2 power 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. What will be the technique to solve the unit digit? We have to check in the power the remainder of the power when it is divided by 4. So when the power is divided by 4, what will be the remainder? When 9 is divided by 4, what will we get? We'll get plus 1 as the remainder. Okay, plus 1 as the remainder. Let me write with another color. Okay, plus 1 as the remainder. And when 7 is divided by 4, you will get minus 1 as a remainder. When 5 is divided by 4, you will get plus 1 as a remainder. And when 3 is divided by 4, you will get minus 1 as a remainder. And again, when 1 is divided by 4, you will get 1. If you multiply this plus 1 and minus 1, you will get positive value, that is 1. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 will be the unit digit of the given question. So this is also an easier question. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. So in the recent videos, I didn't remember the exact number of the video, but in the recent videos I have told you the technique of the digital sum. With the help of the digital sum, you can easily solve this question within a second. Within seconds you can solve. Within 5 or 10 seconds you can easily solve this question with the technique of digital sum, which I have already told you in one video. If you are regularly following Plum series, then definitely you will solve this question with the help of digital sum. Now let's solve. So if A, B, C and D, E, F are both 3-digit numbers such that A, B, C, D, E, F are distinct non-zero digits such that A, B, C plus D, E, F is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, then what will be the value of A plus B plus C? So this is a typo error. A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. So they have asked the A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F value, and they have given the value of A, B, C plus D, E, F, okay, is equal to 1, 1, 1. If you do the digital sum for this, what will be the digital sum? A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. The digital sum of the given value is 3. Okay, 3 is the given the digital sum of the given value. So sorry, not 3, it is 4, because 4 ones are there. 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 4. So the value of the A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F also should be 4. The digital sum of the value should be 4. Now we have to check from the options. So in the option A, what is the digital sum? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 digital sum is 1. So option 1 cannot be correct. And if you check the option number 2, 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 digital sum is 2. That is also not correct. In option number 3, the digital sum of 30 is 3. So that is also not correct. In option 4, 3 plus 1, that is 31, digital sum is 4. Then definitely option D is the correct answer for question number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4, which is already asked in the exam. 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. How many values of x are possible? So this is also similar kind of questions we have solved in the Plum series. 7x plus 96, when it is divided by x, what will be the values of the it is divisible by x. So how many values of x are possible? 7x by x, however it is dividing, we don't need to check 7x by x, but we have to check with 96 by x. So if it is to be divided by x, definitely we have to check the factors of the 96. How many factors of 96 are possible? So if you take it, if you count the factors, if you need to count the factors of the 96, what you have to do? You have to write 96 in the powers of the prime numbers. So 96 can be written as 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. So if you need to check the factors, so factors should be 5 plus 1 6 into, in the power 3 power 1 is there, so 1 plus 1 2. So 6 into 2 is the correct 12 is the correct answer. So number of factors is nothing but you have to write in the powers of prime numbers, and you have to add 1 for the powers and multiply those powers. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 into 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 into 2, that is 12, number of factors are 12. So 12 is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. So if you solve the MCQ number 5, for any choices of value of x, y, z, the 6-digit numbers of the form xyz is divisible by. Okay. So for the ease of calculation, I am taking xyz as 169 so that it will be easily divisible by 13. So in the options there are 7, 11 and 13. So I am taking the value in which 13 is divisible. Okay. So if you are dividing 169 by 13, it is divisible. So 13 can be the answer. And if you are checking the divisibility of 11, what will be the divisibility rule of 11? You have to do the sum of the even places and sum of the odd places, and difference should be 0 or 1. Okay. If you are taking sum of the even places, what will be the answer? 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 9 is 16. So sum of the even places is 16. And if you are taking the sum of the odd places, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 16. So the difference of the 16 and 16 is 0. So it is also divisible by 11. So 7, 11 can be the answer. 11 and 13 we have got it. We have to check with the 7 also. Okay. We have taken the number as 169 and 169. And now check with 7. If you are dividing it by 7, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 7 4s are 28, 1 remains, 7 9s are 7, 4 remains, 7 6 are 42, 4 remains, 7 7s are 49. So it is exactly dividing by 7 also. So it is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. So 3 numbers. So this is the option D is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So these are the 5 questions that I have picked up from 2023 CSAT Prelims paper. So I'll take the remaining questions in the next Plum series. So regularly follow Plum series. So definitely it will be useful. Don't neglect CSAT paper. It will definitely give you a lot of, if it is becoming like lot of important questions are asked. So it is becoming important nowadays. So don't ignore CSAT. Okay. This is the best advice that I can give. So stay tuned for the other lectures from tomorrow. Take care and bye-bye.